Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is just a little video I'm shooting about how to do the Thanksgiving trade on Nadex. It's basically a long only trade, and you do it the day before Thanksgiving and the day after. It's a long only trade, and you basically do it to catch that bounce that happens every year. It wins about 80 to 82% of the time. So we're just going to go over the Finder. We're going to go over to indices, and for this trade, we're going to trade the US Tech 100, which is the Nasdaq. We're going to trade the daily, which closes at 4 p.m. We're going to buy slightly in the money. See 48.76. Put the size in. There we go. Now this is set to close for tomorrow, about 22 hours. And my strike is 48.72. So we got to go up just a teeny tiny bit. Anyways, that's just the Thanksgiving Nadex trade that you can do the day before, which today is a Tuesday. So you profit from the fact that the market usually goes up on a Wednesday and then it goes up on the day after Thanksgiving, and you place that trade tomorrow. And tomorrow you'd be buying at let me think now, you'd be buying at 4 o'clock, and you would be buying the weekly, which would close on Friday, which would be about 1:15 because of the holiday. Anyhow, that's just the Nadex Thanksgiving trade, where between 80 to 82% of the time the market really shoots up and you're trading the US Tech 100. And the idea of the whole trade is to capture that gain that usually happens on Christmas or Thanksgiving, and you can also do the same thing around Christmas and New Year's. But it's a long only trade. You trade the US Tech 100, and today you would be buying the daily, and then if you trade it tomorrow, you would trade it at 4 p.m. Eastern time, and you would trade the weekly, which would close on Friday at 1:15. So just a little heads up on how you can make some money um, doing slightly in the money, although I didn't get it slightly in the money. It's more at the money. Anyways, I don't like spending more than 57, 58 bucks a trade. So that's it for the Thanksgiving Nadex trade. Thanks, and like, share, subscribe, and tell me what you think. This is a trade that I learned from Steve at Steve's Trading Club. He has a lot of signals like these that really work. He knows the exact percentages of the win rate. He tells you about how not to pay more than what the win rate is, generally speaking about $57. Usually I just put a limit order in. And he has a lot of ideas about money management. So if you like this kind of a trade, or if you like time-based trades, you might want to head over to Steve's Trading Club and check them out. Anyways, I'm just going to log out and see how it goes for tomorrow. Um, I'll leave the link for Steve's Trading Clubs in the box or in the description. So anyhow, again, this is a Nadex Thanksgiving trade, and this trade can be done on the other holidays too, but I'm just doing it on Thanksgiving. The day before, which would be tomorrow, will be Wednesday, and then the day after, which would be Friday, which you place that trade on a Wednesday. Thanks.